In this video, we review the best roofing torches on the market, highlighting top models for durability, performance, and ease of use. Whether you're a contractor or DIYer, find the perfect torch for your roofing need. The AUSAIL propane torch might not look like much, but it packs a serious punch. Rated at a massive 1.8 million BTUs, this thing torches weeds, melts ice, and handles roofing jobs without breaking a sweat. It's got a turbo trigger for quick bursts of flame and a flow valve you can dial in with one hand. The piezo ignition lights fast and reliably, and the refractory steel torch head is built for the long haul. AUSAIL pairs that with a 10-foot hose, giving you the reach you need on bigger jobs without dragging the tank around. And while it's lightweight at just over 3 pounds, it still feels solid and balanced in hand. We also like that it's CSA certified and comes with a reverse thread POL valve. No wrench needed. All that, plus a 3-year warranty and a budget-friendly price tag, that's a lot of firepower for the money. You're not going to want to overlook the Flame King 340,000 BTU propane torch. Built for serious heat output, this torch brings a lot to the table for roofing pros and heavy-duty users alike. It's self-igniting with a piezo trigger, so firing it up is quick and safe, no lighters needed. The 28-inch flame gives you enough power to melt roofing tar, burn off old paint, or thaw ice without breaking a sweat. The handle's got a comfortable grip, and the safety lever valve gives you solid control over the flame. It also ships fully assembled and includes a 6-foot hose, which adds plenty of mobility without needing to drag your propane tank everywhere. Compatible with just about any standard propane cylinder, this one's a great fit, whether you're on a job site or working around the house. CSA certified and priced right, the Flame King is ready to go when you are. If you're after serious firepower for your roofing jobs, JAYICHENG'S propane torch kit brings the heat, literally. This thing cranks out up to 1.8 million BTUs and gets blazing hot at over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. While that kind of power might sound overkill, it's exactly what you want when melting tar, loosening old roofing materials, or clearing stubborn ice. The 33-inch wand helps keep you upright and away from the flame, and the 10-foot CSA-listed hose gives you the freedom to move without dragging your tank around. We also like the turbo trigger for added flame control, and the fact that it works with both standard tanks and 1-pound cylinders is a nice bonus. Build quality is solid with refractory steel and a triple-layer rubber hose. It's not the fanciest torch on the list, but it's rugged, affordable, and more than capable of handling just about anything a roofing job can throw at it. If a full-size roofing torch isn't quite what you're looking for, the ARTFLAMM grill torch gun might be the perfect middle ground. This 800,000 BTU flame gun is compact, but packs serious firepower, great for starting a charcoal grill, lighting campfires, or even handling quick weed control. It's surprisingly easy to use with a smooth adjusting flame knob that lets you go from a small orange flicker to a strong blue flame with just a twist. The overall construction feels solid in hand, with a sleek design that's as fun to use as it is functional. There's no built-in stand, but that's expected at this size, and it's light enough that maneuverability is never an issue. Whether you're prepping a roof patch, firing up a barbecue, or just looking for a multi-use flamethrower, this one brings solid performance without the bulk of a full-size torch. Just remember, the propane tank and adapter aren't included. Also catering to serious contractors, Red Dragon's RT Combo Roofing Torch Kit brings versatility to the job site. This kit includes both a 400,000 BTU field torch and a 50,000 BTU detail torch, letting you switch between wide coverage and precision work without needing any tools. Both torches run off the same hose, regulator, and propane tank setup, saving time during transitions. The full kit comes with a 25-foot UL-listed LP gas hose, a pressure regulator, spark lighter, and a pressure gauge. Build quality is solid, with the main components constructed from durable steel. The field torch gives you a 2.5-inch bell and a 29-inch reach, great for larger roof areas, while the 1.5-inch detail torch is ideal for tight spots. This is one of Red Dragon's most popular models, CSA certified for use in the US and Canada. It's a dependable option if you need a dual-purpose torch for big and small jobs alike.